Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a kind of like zoom flash effect on CapCut PC. So on the first clip, you're just going to want to go to animation, go to combo, and you are going to just find zoom 1, which is somewhere here. I keep on missing it. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Zoom 1. And on the second clip, we're going to add zoom 2. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to library and add in this white background and add it to your overlay, like so. Then you are going to adjust this right here. Go to blend mode and choose overlay. And then you are going to go to the animation, go to out, and add in a fade out to the overlay. And that is basically it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!